Large Marge 2000 Volvo 770 Cummins N14. I lost my caps, couldn't find out which ones to get because there's so many different sizes, and even when I measured, you'll notice we don't have an even, get the weird gaps on them. So I was at a truck stop, bought one, took a chance, and they fit. So here you go. It's a chrome plated 8.5-inch Road Pro, and the RPFHC6N is what's going to fit your truck. Now, I noticed my other one, when I took it off, didn't have any markings on it. It also didn't have these little clips. These little clips are why I lost them in the first place, because I didn't have any. They must have came off at some point or never had them, or this is an improvement. So these little clips will go into the little lip here, and they're much more secure. And there we go. It's on, it's shiny. Just got to clean up my rims a little bit. Large Marge signing out.